We booked 2 twin rooms at Hotel Androoms in Kyoto. It's literally 2 twin beds and a little sofa where a third person can sleep. It is so tiny. I feel like I'm on a cruise ship. No closet, but there's a TV, some hanging space on the wall, an air purifier, nice bathroom, but again, very small. Hello. And a really nice shower. It's here. Oh, no view. And there is a public bath, which we are apparently gonna attempt to do later today. Inari in Kyoto. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So hot. So hot. Whoa. 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 Jeez. Oh my god, how to get handprints up there? Wow. So beautiful in the middle of this forest near Kyoto. And if you wait, you get these random moments of no people for a good picture. And we found a poisonous mukade centipede. Aggressive families of monkeys live in this area because the monkeys attack and bite. Do not go near them or take pictures. So you got your first mustache. It's a sweat mustache. We are so sweaty. This is Gion, famous in the movie Sayuri for geisha and maiko. People eat out here, go on dates on the river, go biking down here, shopping here.
Grandpa?
Okay, do the honors, Mia. What is it? Oh, miso soup.
Chicken.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mia tried the natto and she said
It's better in the cookies.
she's not a fan. Kenzo's eating sashimi over here. Oh no! What are you wearing?
Don't worry, I'm wearing.
Where are we going, Doji?
We're going to a bath.
The
Public
bath. The public bath. And we're all gonna get what in the bath?
Naked! We're gonna be nudes.
Nudes.
You can't see because
No.
we're gonna be naked.
That's right.
No.
We went to the near train station underground shopping center. We got supermarket wares. We got orange jello and Cinnabons and onigiri rice balls and coffee. Ryoji already drank his, but this was a coffee mojito. It had like soda, lime, mint, and coffee. So interesting. Ogawa Coffee. Apparently it's their most expensive coffee shop. This is Aloe Yogurt, my favorite in Japan. It's very liquidy yogurt and it has these chunks of aloe and they're so good. Oh my god, yum. Arashiyama.
Wow, sweating.
So hot!
So hot.
You, yeah! So hot. So hot. This is our new trick, yeah. Pro tip, bring an umbrella like that. Yes, UV umbrella is smart. Hats, umbrellas, you need it. Hot. Bamboo forest in Arashiyama. Got a little break from the heat, but still hot. Sweaty monkeys. Hello. Rickshaw. Woohoo. Gambare, gambare. Hi. Bamboo, bamboo, bamboo. Bamboo. Kids, junpei. Yay. Bamboo. We're gonna have a challenge here. They're eating sushi ginger. Really strong, unique taste. Okay, go, Emmy, go. Challenge, challenge. What do you think, Mia? Oh, Emmy, cover your mouth. What do you think, Mia?
Not bad.
Not bad. Emmy, what? Terrible.
It's really sour.
Go, Mia, go, Mia.
I'm gonna take this off first.
Oh boy. Oh my god. And we only got rice, our little picky eater. And that's the salmon bowl. Arashiyama Monkey Park! Up there. Always getting more drinks. There are like no water fillers anywhere, so it's pointless to bring your own bottles. You gotta just keep buying favorites. We didn't know this, but apparently it's a 20-minute hike up the mountain to see the monkeys. But at least there's no sun here. Please never show and eat food outdoors. Oh, because the monkeys are gonna come. They're gonna get ya, get ya, get ya, get ya. So hot. So hot. Monkeys everywhere though. They just walk amongst you.
I see the
Wow.
Kyoto Tower.
Yeah? Gorgeous view at the top. This is Kyoto. That tower is near our hotel. Kyoto Tower. Cooling off in there. Look at them swimming. No, where's the baby? There's a mom and baby up there. Aww. Mia's super scared. Super scared.
I can hold.
Wait, Kento. They make little sounds and they're like, please give me food.
Where's my bag?
I don't know. Right here, right here.
Hello, monkey. Okay.
He said thank you. Did you hear him? More, more. Oh.
I mean, feed one more.
Oh my god.
They're so cute.
So, what do you think, Emmy? Do you like them in here, Mia? You feel safer in here? Mama and the baby. So cute. Cheers. Kanpai. Kakigori shaved ice. Melon flavor. And red bean and green tea. Azuki matcha. Oh,
みたらし団子。
みたらし団子。はい。
いただきます。コールドみたらし団子。
Sweet pounded oh,
We first. We.
yeah. Oh. Got it. It's very easy to choke. Bite it. Kiyomizu Dera.
Right. はい、パンパン。
So beautiful up here. We were up there. It made me feel like we were falling off the way it's tilted. All right, we bought a pickle on a stick. Let's go.
I think it's a cucumber.
Cucumber? It's not a pickle?
It's a cucumber.
What do we think?
Good.
What's it taste like?
Cucumber. With medicine.
Oh,
I like it.
I really good. Like started to be a pickle, but not quite yet. Mm. This is Japanese omurice. Ryoji, do the honors. Ooh, rice in the middle. Wow, that's not pretty. What did you do? It's an omelet with rice in the middle. They fill it with all kinds of stuff and rice. Walking home at night. Stuff's lit up. And so pretty! Kyoto Tower. Here is how you public bath or onsen. Hi ladies. You put your clothes in the locker, your phone and everything, and you get naked. There are little wristbands. And then you go into here.
Is this up for hair?
And then you shower and scrub and get super duper clean here. And you can sit there, you can use this little bin here to dump. They have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, everything. They had razors in the other room you can use. And then once you're super, super clean here, you go into the bath, which is like ridiculously boiling hot, but really good for your body. And then you soak, soak, soak. And when you're done, if you're like me, it's too hot, then you come back and you shower with cold water. Then you come back here, you get dressed and you blow your hair, and they have lotions and all kinds of stuff. They have brushes and razors, and it's so amazing. We love it. Japanese onsen or sento. Girl literally fell asleep watching her tablet. It was a long, hot day, wasn't it, Emmy? Yeah. We got 3 beds in here now, super cozy in this teeny tiny room. Wow! Tonight is the last night, then we're back to Roji's home. See Gigi and Baba and our cousins again. Yes! Japanese hotokeki. Wow. Mia with the whipped cream for breakfast. But even better, she just doused it with syrup. Wow. Take a bite, Mia. I gotta know. I gotta know how it is. That's good?
Take a bite.
Wow. What's this one called, Yoji? Higashi Honkai? Hongashi? Okay, what?
Higashi Honganji.
You got that?
You got it?
These capsule machines called Gatcha are everywhere here. They are like $3 to $5 each. You spin it a few times and you're guaranteed to get one of these toys. They have all kinds of stuff you can get. Really fun. The kids go nuts for them, but they're so expensive. But fun. Kenzo got this one yesterday at the monkey park. It was 300 yen. They got confused. They thought it was 100 yen and they'd get 3 of these, but it was 3 spins and you get 1. Little Curious George monkey in a banana suit. Super cute. We found a robot. Let's see, let's see.
It moves towards the person that like.
Hi!
Oh, the name
Oh, he's so cute! Oh my god. Oh, kawaii, another kind of cousin. Kind of cousin, yeah, so cute. Daddy's making takoyaki, kind of like a pancake batter into the round circles. And usually they put taco chunks of octopus in there, but you can put whatever you want when you make it yourself. Cheese or corn or whatever. These are popular festival foods. And they flip them around as they're cooking so they don't burn, and then they become round. Octopus in there and negi. Green onion.
Yeah. And also tenkasu. Tenkasu is oil.
Oil. Oh, dried oil. Interesting. Is she helping you, Kenzo? Is she helping you? We're at a gas station. It's about 185 yen per liter, which comes to about $6 per gallon. Ah! Down here is diesel, which is much cheaper than the regular high octane in the middle. Even higher. Wow! This is the rice planting machine. This is the rice harvesting machine. This is the rice grinding machine.
Are you hot? I bet you're hot.
I am.
You're hot.
We don't know what that is. A transformer. The red machine makes the wall that creates the kind of wall around the field. Then you flood it and then you plant the rice. So it creates this kind of like ditch to keep the water in so it stays flooded until the end of the summer when it's all dry and they harvest. This is Gigi's farmland. They've got pumpkin down there, got tomatoes, and all this rice, which, oh my gosh, they have to harvest and everything. But this farmland here, someone else takes care of it, but it's his land and then he can take what he wants from it, apparently. That's what I understand. She just harvested a Japanese pumpkin, kabocha.
It's green.
Twist to snap it. job! Yes! Harvesting
I was going
eggplants
second.
and always fighting. Good job, Mia! Now harvesting little tomatoes. Farm to mouth. Oh my
You
gosh.
can hold it.
So heavy.
Oh.
You're so quiet in here. I was nervous what I would find. But they are just chilling in the air conditioner, doing a spa day with fans and massage. Shake, 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 shake. We're at Mos Burger. They got kids meal. They get to pick out their toy.
Did I get mine?
Yeah, mine's a fried avocado patty with curry sauce. Ooh. We're visiting Daddy's uncle. Daddy's uncle. Lots of treats. This is on and it's in front of everybody. You guys ready to eat?
Yep.
We're sitting on the floor, Japanese style. We're here for Okinomiyaki, but they have all kinds of food here.
Try.
Oh, yakisoba! Okonomiyaki. So fun. Here's an interesting one. Cartilage. Ooh, crunchy.
Like your nose.
Did you try it?
No,
Try it.
yeah, it's too hot.
Let's go. Let's go. What do you think? It's good?
Yeah.
Good. Emmy approves. What still?
Bone.
Bone. No, yeah, that's cartilage. You eat it.
Good. That is good.
Good. Japan is so safe, but they have these women-only trains to avoid one of their biggest crimes, groping. You even know where to stand in line here.